Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the differences between cloud computing and traditional computing, guys. So if you recall, we discussed in detail about cloud computing till now, guys. So we discussed the definition, then we discussed some applications, then we moved on to characteristics, advantages, disadvantages. After that we discussed the architecture, right? So I think everyone is now almost clear with the concept of cloud computing, right? Yes. So your question will be, okay, so we have some idea, but what is this traditional computing? So traditional computing is nothing but the computers which we use, guys. Okay, so cloud is nothing but with respect to online, and where traditional is with respect to offline. Okay, yes. So basically what will be the differences between these two comparison we are going to do in this lecture. Okay, yes. So let us start. So cloud computing, so it refers to delivering of different services such as data and programs through internet on different servers. So basically this is with respect to internet, and on various servers also we can do some multiple tasks. Whereas in traditional, it refers to delivery of different services on local server and a single server, you can say. Okay, which is local to you, right? Yes. So it takes place, okay, so it takes place on third party service that is hosted by a third party hosting company. Okay, so basically what is this cloud computing, guys? So basically you will be using some service, right? So it might be from Amazon, it might be from Google, it might be some Microsoft, it might be some other company. So these are some top companies. So based on those companies, you are going to develop your application and deploy it, right? So that is a cloud computing. Whereas if you run it on your system like physical hardware and web servers, so if you are doing it physically, that is called as traditional computing, guys. Okay, similarly it is the ability to access data anywhere at any time and by user. So basically if you stored some data in your cloud computing device, you can log in with your login credentials to the website and you can get the data from anywhere, right? Okay, whereas in a traditional system, user can access data only on the system which he stored. So it is just like your computer, personal computer in simple words. Okay, yes. So let us continue. Okay, yes. So it is more cost efficient. So basically the major advantage of cloud computing is, so you are going to pay only for your use, guys. So that is the only main reason why it is always called as a cost efficient. Whereas okay, whereas if you are buying all the components, you are connecting it, your electricity bill, your components bill, your technician bill, your cables bill, your network bill, everything will be there, right? So that is the reason why it is not that much cost efficient, you can say. In the long term, traditional systems will be good, but for a short term things, the cloud computing will be the best thing, guys. Okay, yes. So it is more user friendly as compared to traditional. So basically everything you can do just with a single page, guys. With some clicks you can do, right? Whereas here you need to bring those components, right? So assume that you want to increase your RAM from 8 GB to 16 GB. So you want to add plus 8 GB, right? Yes. So in this situation, in cloud computing, you will be just logging into your dashboard. You will be going into your RAM section. You will be just clicking plus button. So it will automatically increase, and you can directly within seconds, you can see the change in your dashboard. Whereas here, if in traditional computing, you need to go to a store, you need to buy that card, you need to insert it into your system. So in that way, there's a huge process, you can say. Okay, similarly it provides more storage space and servers as well as more computing power, so that applications and softwares are run more faster and efficiently. Okay, whereas here it is not that much easy, guys. In simple words, you can say this cloud servicing providers are scalable, whereas traditional computers are non-scalable. So assume that you are running a website. Okay, so in that situation, if you are using AWS, I know exactly with AWS, guys. So if you are running AWS and if you are using the component called as autoscale, guys. So autoscale is something where there is a requirement, automatically your system's speed will increase. So basically whenever there is a huge traffic for your website, automatically your processing speed of your website, the host, everything will be increased. So these kind of scalings can be done, whereas in traditional it is not possible. Okay, similarly cloud services is served by providers supporting team. So basically here you will be having a development team, they will be having some support team, you will be having live chats, any kind of issues they can solve it really easily, whereas here you are the only one, so you need to manage everything. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us go through benefits and challenges in cloud computing. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.